You can elaborate it on JP so that they all understand.
Yeah, it's a good question actually. Why only peer pressure? The pressure is from everybody in the society. Your parents, your friends, your girlfriend, your boyfriend also. But I would say don't have too much expectation when you're going for your interview. She used the word hype. There was not too much hype about the interview when she appeared and she was very comfortable. The comfort factor is very important. One should not have too many expectations that unless he will offer me a Volkswagen or a BMW, I'm not going to join. That is not the point. Peer pressure is always there. You have to see, and as somebody said, I am here to learn in this city. His focus is very clear. Till the time he will get a job where he has his value addition in his career, he is fine with it. So he is very clear in his expectations and his approach. Similarly, peer pressure will always be there. Don't succumb to the pressure and be yourself. Absolutely be normal and be yourself.
Yeah.
Thanks, JP.
You see, actually, I've never, I don't know, maybe I'm blessed, my family says, I've never got into peer pressure. What everybody has to do certain things. You can't keep competing with everybody, right? You should basically kind of focus on what you want to do, what you need to do, and do it well. Because if you start looking at everybody, I mean, we run a business, everybody else runs a business. It's good to have goals in life. That does not mean you have no goals, basically, but you should also know what you can achieve, right? I mean, even tying in with the nervousness question, I mean, he said it very correctly, your expectations. I always had this, I was good at studies, but whenever I would give my exam and come out, I would say, nahi boss, bada average paper hua. It's kind of mentally kind of stressing, how paper bada average ho. And trust me, nothing was average. I always did very, very well. Always did. People start joking and the jhoot bol raha baar aake. But it was kind of my mental way of saying that theek hai. Even for interviews, I would always sit, I had no pressure whatsoever. I would never go कि job milni hai कि nahi milni. So that conversation aspect works really well. I still encourage people, even if you don't know anything, because like you said, you're nervous, right? You can catch a nervous person in 5 seconds. You know, simple question, you ask a person, even the IS people ask this question, who's the 100 meters champion? Oh, Bolt. Who's the 200 meters champion? Bolt. Who's the 400 meters champion? So, who's the 800 meters champion? Who's the 600 meters champion? He'll say some name again. There is no 600 meters. But you're stuck. You know, 100, 200, 400, 800, 600 corner. You will answer something, boldly on it. You know? So the thing is, that means you're nervous. It's not easy. I know pressure bahut hota hai. You also feel family. He's right, I feel maybe more than peer also. Sometimes there is a lot of family pressure. Oh, ye job leki aani hai bas. Tu bada ho gaya hai, karna hai, kuch ye hai. And then there's the other one also. Dekho, uske bete ko to mil gayi. Tumhara kya hoga? Right? You know, don't let it get to you. Because the minute you start thinking like that, now you lose focus on what you actually want. Then you basically, first job offer that comes, you're, like she said, you're selling yourself. It's not marketing anymore. First offer you get, you'll say, Hanji, main chala di, thank you. So kind of, you know, try, it's hard, but if you focus a little bit, it works out in the end.
Oh, that's very well said, Manish. I'd like Neha to comment on this. Neha, you are in an active job, being a lady. How do you handle social pressure? I mean, pressure from home, or you're not an ambitious woman. So
yeah,
you just share.
Yeah, and I mean, working for a bank these days, a private bank, you can't be time bound. I can't say, it's 6 o'clock, I'm going home. There are times when I have client meetings at like 7:38. If clients insist and I know that there's going to be some huge investment coming through, which will give me a good upfront entail, whatever. So I would be staying there, but my mother will keep on calling me. ये कोई time है, ये कोई time है घर आने का, job करने का, and then forget about mother. They're like masis and they're like brothers, and everybody will start. Yeah, family-wise, it becomes a little difficult at times, but always you can make them understand. Being female in this part of our country, especially north, there is still time for our society to actually engulf and take the females can work long hours. I think I worked in Bombay. There it's very, very fine if the female is still working. Here, my mother, naturally she's a mother, so she gets a little worried. Pressure does come because there are so many things. A guy can go to a say Maloya pind, if you have heard about it, and get something. But me being a female, I'll think 10 times before going into a certain sect. That still exists. I won't say that today I can barge into any room as a man can. But obviously, being a female, you have your own, you know, limitations, but plus points also. There are times when, because I'm a female, they maybe, especially with bureaucrats, it happens that, you know, because a woman has come, a female has come, they'll oblige you, they'll talk to you, they'll be so softer. So it's pros and cons. Everything comes with two sides, but you have to balance it out.
Thank you. Anybody would like to comment apart from Navdeep on what Neha said?
Apart from Navdeep.
I'm just kidding, Navdeep. Yeah, Navdeep, say please.
जैसे आपको पता है आजकल इतने सारे इंजीनियर हमारे बीच बैठे हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द, तो इतने सारे कॉलेजेस हो गए हैं, तो मैंने इस साल अपनी बीटेक कंप्लीट करी है इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन। तो इतने सारे स्टूडेंट्स इन माय बैच देयर इज 127 स्टूडेंट्स एंड नो वन इज प्लेस्ड एग्जैक्टली, एंड समवन इज लाइक 1 2 in different companies, even some are placed in Infosys, and Infosys are offered a 23rd April in 2030 लेटर ऑफर्ड है, तो एक साल के गैप में उनको लेटर्स ऑफर कर रही है और जॉब्स है नहीं, मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन के लिए जा रहे हैं। तो इसका क्या हो सकता है, मतलब स्टडी नहीं करनी चाहिए आगे, फर्दर स्टडी में भी यही हो रहा है, जो बच्चे एमटेक करके जा रहे हैं मोस्टली लेक्चरर लग रहे हैं, चलो भी आज कुछ करना तो मैं भी लेक्चरर लग जाते हैं, ऐसा ही हो रहा है, हम सभी को पता ही आज यहाँ।
ठीक है, अच्छा लग रहा है आप ऐसे बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है, अच्छी बात है। JB ji, would you like to address his concern? Very valid concern. Yeah.
बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स पास हो रहे हैं, but they are not employable directly into the big organization specifically. As you said, Infosys delay कर रही है उसको, but Infosys gives training for 1.5 years before putting those people into production line. Are you aware of this thing or not? So there is a big opportunity where somebody who wants to become entrepreneur to bridge the gap between what colleges are bringing out and what industry requires. There is a lot of industrial kind of, I would say, orientation is required. Rather, I was suggesting to Amika ma'am before this panel discussion started, that you need to have some course in that 6-month training where you have attitudinal training of the students, which is required in the industry when the students join after their studies. There is a big gap. There is absolutely a big gap, and even when we interview fresher, we first see यार डिग्री करिए और क्या कोर्स किया, और कोर्स नहीं है तो शायद probably I would not like to even interview that person, because we are aware the standard of normal or BTech 4 years course which is there, or MCA 3 years course is there.
JB, what is one thing that will convince you to hire that person in that interview? One thing.
See, you go to any organization, they have specific platforms on which they are working. So if you are going to that organization for interview, at least you should have the basic understanding of their technical, I would say, platform on which they are working on. It is easy to get into that kind of environment.
So I
yeah,
think,
please.
so value addition is very important.
Can I add something to that?
Yeah.
No, I'll take it to my job angle again. As you are saying, there are so many students who are passing out and not getting jobs. There are so many banks in the market, and there are so many bankers in the market. When we approach people, clients, there is this one client and there will be like 30 people after his life, you know. So the same is the case, but you know, all you have to do is this, you like it or you're not. If you want to survive, it's like survival of the fittest, the basic theory. You want to live, you want to survive, you have to do it. There is no other way, no shortcuts, no nothing. It's always gonna be like that, all through the life. Once you get the job, then you'll have the same thing again.
Yeah.
Thank
you
you.
see, आप अभी क्या कहते हैं, like you've done your BTech और नहीं करा, मैंने भी MCA करी थी, same question as you, कि जी मैं क्या different कर रहा हूँ. At that point in time, I actually, you know, did like 4 projects. I was already there. आप economic times में बढ़ते. I did the BU website, which was the first project ever off the ground. We launched India's first online book bank, you know, 12 years back. तो बात तो वही आती है. It's your own thing also. ठीक है, if you know you're stuck somewhere, you have to kind of build extra skill around it. Okay, that becomes a differentiator. कि भी ठीक है, अब सारे कर रहे हैं. You also don't want to become a lecturer eventually. तो अगर आपकी इतनी ड्राइव है कि आपने लेक्चरर नहीं बनना, I'm quite sure you'll put in that extra effort to learn something. You are here, obviously. That means you want to build on top of that. ठीक है, the idea is you also have to then push hard, because the competition in a country like India is never going to end. आप marks देख लो, at our time, you know, I got 85, 86, बड़ा अच्छा माना था. Today's date, 85, 86 has no value. 99 पे you get no admission. You see, the pressure is that people are just advancing. So And everybody cannot get 99 also. That is also a fact. ठीक है. Point is that you build ancillary skills around it. कि भी ठीक है, ये चीजें मेरे को extra आती हैं. I can do this also. Part is also sometimes you don't get what you want. You need to adjust a little bit. For that time, you get something in the market and then move on.
Well, that's well quoted, Manish. We have 3 questions from the audience. This time I'll request the people who've asked the question to, just stand up that it is their question. The first one is, what other things do I have to learn to blend in with others in the working environment? Blend in with colleagues. What are the other things I need to learn to blend in, let's say, blend well with others in the working environment? Who else asked this question? The lady who brought me this list is one on the right in black. Is it your question? Okay. What's your name, please?
Monica.
Okay, Monica has this question. Any one of you would like to answer?
I guess you should be yourself. I mean, you don't need to kind of, this is like the way you interact with your friends, right? When you make friends, you don't try and portray some special skill that tum mere dost ban jao. Right? So when you work with your colleagues also, the basic thing is you should be social and just be nice to everybody, help out people. That's what kind of works. You don't need any special skills per se for that.
I'd like to add something. Now, when it comes to blending in, look, as of now, if you look at the workforce, it comes from diverse backgrounds. So one thing that you have to focus is on cultural sensitivity, right? So this is one thing. You may be friends with many times, you may be a part of a group, you may say things which may offend the other person. So cultural sensitivity is very important. Just think before you open your mouth. That's it.
That's fine. The next question is, does failing to answer a question while in an interview have a negative bearing on the interviewee? So Ambika says no, Manish says no, JB?
Not at all.
Not at all. The wrong answer won't affect you to, decide whether you are, selected or not. What about Neha? No or yes?
I think, for me, I think this is again a personal experience. It may be a 1 out of 10. If it is a technical question, very technical, I'm saying like some things are technical. Like in engineering, if somebody is asking you a technical question and if you give a wrong answer, and which is like the basics, it may harm you. But if it is a general question, maybe your previous answers or your overall performance in the interview will shield you from the effect. This is my personal experience again. It can happen 1 out of 10.
Okay, so this is something I would like to bring up and quote. There was a situation, and Manish has said, you have to be true to the situation, be confident, because once you are true, honest, you are confident. Yeah. So there's been a situation I tackled. Somebody a couple of months back had approached us that okay, this is the guy. He needs to be put into some company, and please refer him to a couple of places, because you guys are connected and you can get him through at least with a good reference. So we got this guy, a stout looking guy. He came over for an interview and I said, okay, what are you looking for? He said, मेरे को नौकरी चाहिए, पर मैं ज़्यादा देर वहाँ नौकरी नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि मैंने DSP पता नहीं कुछ ऐसे बनना है उसने. So मैंने कहा ठीक है, फिर अगर तुम ये जाके वहाँ बोलोगे तुम्हें नौकरी कौन देगा? ठीक है. So he said ठीक है, मैं नहीं बोलूँगा. So this guy, he went to a couple of companies we had referred him, and the moment he used to go there, he used to listen to them, and the guy used to ask him, "You going to be here? What are your plans? Are you going to be here for a long time?" He said, "जितना ही मैं select हो गया, interview में छाड़ दूँगा." So 4 or 5 places he had gone. He came back. We felt very embarrassed. We decided, okay, rule. Period. We are not going to refer this guy. It's going to bring us insult and flat on our face. And then he came and he said, "कि मेरे को नौकरी नहीं मिली." 15 दिन बाद he called out. And we said, okay, what have you been telling that those guys? He said, मैं तो जो सच है बोलना, तुसी कैसी सच बोलना? So Manish, what have you have to say on
I
this?
was going to say this thing honestly. You have to hand it to the guy. At least he's truthful. I mean, I know it's not the right thing to say, and I know it goes against him, but the first thing that came to my mind was at least the guy is truthful.
Okay.
It's not necessarily the correct answer to give. I mean, but I still have a case
And-
while joining कि जी मैं तो first मेरे को वीजा मिल जाए US में मैं तो रात चले जाऊँगा. It's been 5 years he's with me, वीजा नहीं.
Okay.
The guy is good. I took the
he's
risk. I
connected.
took the risk. I said, "No, don't worry. We'll deal with it when the situation arises." To आजा.
And you know, this guy is dealing with a father who is calling me every week and telling me कि मुंडे की नौकरी नहीं लगी. So he's dealing with that situation also at home. So anyways, that was out of fun.
If
And,
his other parameters are all right, there is no harm in even looking at him. Because getting a DSP job, I don't know, as you said, 5 साल हो गए वीजा नहीं लगे, ऐसे कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है.
Well, that's great. We have another 10 to 15 minutes. Anybody from the audience would like to say something? Okay, it's Navdeep again. Navdeep, why don't you come and sit in the front, my friend? Sorry? Jashvinder Singh, right? JB?
Jashinder Veer Singh.
Jashinder Veer Singh.
ये हो गया. We'll meet offline.
Yeah. None of the ladies and the girls in the front have any questions. Are you all set?
Question like, why you think so that lots of the toppers from IIM and IITs are moving abroad for the jobs?
Okay, so why are IIMs and IITs moving abroad for the jobs?
Opportunity, I guess. I mean, it's better. See, nowadays when you have that kind of skill set, you know, even you talk about IIT, IIM, they have a certain. They're obviously when you are filtering process, if you like to call it, to get into IIT is not easy. It's probably easier to get into a top American institute than to get into IIT. Okay?
So is it something like that they are studying in India and serving abroad?
I wouldn't necessarily. Nowadays you have global companies. Most of these guys get picked up by companies like Facebook, Google, and all. So it's not a big deal. I actually see, like you said, none of you want to go abroad. I see a lot of good people coming back to India. Actually, now, India has become the place of opportunity. So a lot of them who are very, very good job holders, like IIT guys, they're all coming back actually. They're all coming back, setting up their ventures, you know, doing a lot of hiring good people. I know a lot of people right in Chandigarh, people from Tech who went to London, served for 10 years. They're now back in Chandigarh, you know, started small companies out of houses, out of their house basically, 8, 10 people working in development. So ऐसा नहीं है, वो initially क्या होता है, it's your thirst for knowledge also, you can't deny it. If you are at IIT, obviously your brain is also moving at that level. So a local services company cannot give you that kind of opportunity to, if you read the kind of stuff that Facebook and Google do technically, it's not every person's job. Facebook, you can still go to their job section, they have 4 puzzles available over there. They tell you solve the puzzle, apply, and that's it. You don't need to do anything more. If you can solve, see, it's an open challenge. So,
It's only due to the money like this.
yeah, money comes in again, like I said, for these guys, I know a lot of these talented heads. Money is not an important factor. I know a lot of guys who come from very well-to-do families, unke liye money nahi hai. It's simply, they look at what am I going to get out of this job. Okay, is this something I want to do? I want to do data analysis for it. So what is tarah they shortlist? They are not, I mean, money is a very secondary factor. Honestly, like big companies have 7, like Sarva saying, you have 7, 8 rounds of interviews, right? So money comes in the 8th round, tab tak to aise hi karna, you know, that's the last thing on your mind.
Yeah.
Not that they'll compromise on the money, but it's not the driving factor. It's not like, it's not the 50% factor, okay, this is, 50% is what they'll get to do.
We have amongst us Mr. Sanjeev Kumar. He handles HR at Trish Infotech Limited, an ITS company. Sanjeev, could you just share what sort of nature of candidates come? What are the questions you ask them, and how confident?
First of all, when the candidate comes, I just review the resume for 10 to 15 minutes. और सबसे जो मेरा पहला काम है, मैं देखता हूँ कि बच्चे ने ना रिज्यूमे में गलतियाँ कितनी की हैं, ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स. When you write your strengths के पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड है, स्ट्रेंथ है, हार्ड वर्किंग. सो बच्चे के रिज्यूमे से पता लगता है कि उसने कितना सीरियसली कितना होमवर्क किया है अपना रिज्यूमे. एंड इन द मोस्ट ऑफ केसेस आई फाइंड कि बच्चे अपना इंटरव्यू आने से पहले अपना रिज्यूमे खुद ही नहीं पढ़ते. फॉर एग्जांपल कि उनका ऑब्जेक्टिव जो है वो कॉपी किया हुआ है. When you ask their objective, career objective, they reply something else. And even coming to the IT student, their skill sets, when you see he or she has applied for PHP, and when you review the resume, उसमें लिखा हुआ है कि मेरे को Oracle भी आती है. You put the interviewer, he will ask you questions. बेस्ड ऑन योर रिज्यूमे, बिकॉज दैट इज द मिरर। सो मैं बच्चों से यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि व्हेन यू डू योर इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग, आप जो जाते हो कंपनी में, उसको सीरियसली करो। व्हेन यू आस्क द क्वेश्चन ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट्स, देन दे ट्राई टू मेक एक्सक्यूजेज। सर मैं तो एक्चुअली बेसिकली दीज आर दी प्रीफिक्स फिक्स दे यूज़, कि मैं तो बैक एंड में था सर, वो कंपनी ऐसी थी। यू स्टार्ट ब्लेमिंग द कंपनी। सो इट इज़ माई सिंसियर रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू कि whatever project is allotted to you, whether in the college or in the company, please do it sincerely. If you do justice to you, I think you'll get a job. That's what I experienced. That's
Thank you, Sanjeev. That's very relevant. I think we are almost on, out of time, and we would love to leave the floor open for Q&A. You guys are more than welcome to interact with this panelist here. Anybody who wants to be an entrepreneur, you can, come directly to Tai. We can help, handhold, mentor, help you be a job creator rather than being a job seeker, right? But anyways, it was quite a privilege, and it's an honor to be here. And thank you for the wonderful session. I would like to ask Kamri to come over and take over. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody who's on the panel. I think it was very enlightening to have such answers, guys. This opens forum now. Do you want to still ask questions? Anybody?